What's up, Strawberry Gang? What's up? We are now live, so let's go ahead and go over, what's the update for today. So here's kind of what we're expecting. Let me go ahead and go. So here's kind of what we're expecting. So I know Joe Biden is expected to release his stimulus plan this Thursday, January 14th. Here's what's expected. So here's what some experts are predicting will be included in this plan or this package. One, $2,000 stimulus checks. Two, to cancel some student loan debt. Three, to raise minimum wage. Four, extended federal unemployment benefits. Five, rental assistance. And then six, loans for small businesses. Also, PPP applications are now being accepted at credit unions, at local credit unions. And then the EIDL portal is expected to go live January 17th. So the EIDL money, that's pretty much money. That's like free money that is not, it doesn't have to be paid back. And it's applicable if you have like a small business owner and you meet other qualifications. Hi, Ellen. Hi, Andrea. What's up, Luna family? Strawberry Gang. What's up, Kelly? What's up, Dakota? Kelly, Allen, welcome back. Charlotte, Andrea. Lisa Davis, welcome back. Jose, Derek, Shauna. What's up, Billy Cruz? Welcome back. What's up, Crystal? Guys, so that's kind of what's going on now. And hi, Instagram. Welcome, Instagram. Hi, everybody on TikTok. What's poppin'? What's up, Facebook? Guys, how are you guys doing today? Thank you so much for those gifts. Thank you so much for the gifts. So let's go over this again, okay? So Biden is expected to release his stimulus plan this Thursday, January 14th. If you have not put that in your calendar, what's a calendar? If you have not put that in your calendar, make sure you go ahead and put that in your calendar. So you guys know that emoji with the little pin, that little guy he's writing. Let me see. Who can put that emoji for me? Go ahead and put that emoji. I want to see that emoji where the little guy is writing down a pin. Go ahead and put that emoji, and that tells me that you are going to write this down in your calendar. It's this Thursday, January 14th. That is the date that we are. Okay, look at Oh Sweet Abigail. She hit. Oh Sweet Abigail was the first one to do it. The Luna family was the second one. Dakota was third. Taylor. You guys are awesome. So yeah. Okay, so who was the first one on TikTok? Sham was the first one on TikTok. Yeah, so I kind of like that emoji. So that's what's kind of going on now. So that means that tells me that you guys are paying attention. Imagine someone just joined the live right now. They're like, oh my God, what are we writing down? And they're like freaking out. What are we writing down? Okay, so that's what we're writing down, guys. It's January 14th. That day, I cannot wait to share the information that I will receive that day. And guys, I'm not no special source or anything. I literally just get my information from Google, the news sources, but I research really quickly. So that's kind of what's going on right now. So also what's expected to be included in this plan, what experts are talking about are $2,000 stimulus checks, to cancel some student loan debt, to raise the minimum wage, to extend federal unemployment benefits, rental assistance, and loans for small businesses. So that's kind of what's supposed to be expected. So we're a couple days away. Also, PPP applications are now being accepted at local credit unions. So that's another thing. PPP not being accepted at local credit unions. And then the EIDL portal is expected to go live January 17th. This money is completely free and does not have to be paid back. Look at you guys still with I see you. This money is free and does not have to be paid back if you have a small business. Yeah. I think the strawberries and that emoji, I think that's my favorite emoji now. Oh, snap. Not everybody knows about the strawberries. If you know, you know. I got to keep that on the down low. I know a lot of people on YouTube know. Yeah, guys. And so today, we're going to do a lot of focusing, okay? So we're going to make sure we stay focused. So, hi, dude. Oh, yeah, the 2K Timmy dance. Guys, I think it's coming up. I should probably make my next video on that one. That would be dope. Rhythm. I just did the 2K shimmy, and we'll tell me things will be okay. And look, as long as you can 2K shimmy it out, everything's gonna be okay. Whenever you feel down, just 2K shimmy it out. And if you don't know what 2K shimmy is, we made a promise a couple lives ago. You guys, we made this up online, like seriously, because we just came up with the name like not too long ago. So first we came up with, and we did this together. It wasn't just me. First we came up with how to do it, right? It was now we came up with the name. We call it the 2K shimmy. First it's called like 2K stimulus. So guys, when in doubt, just 2K shimmy it out. Do the 2K shimmy, do the 2K, and it's really simple to do. You just move two shoulders, move two shoulders. Every time I talk about or like do this 2K shimmy, like I get sidetracked. And then I go through my comments on my videos. They're like, man, he never answers my question. Man, he always get distracted. Like, you know how like some people have hate comments? Like, you know how some creators have hate comments? My hate comments are literally just talking. They talk crap about my life. Like, oh my God, he doesn't pay attention. He always gets sidetracked. Okay, see, look, I have a question. What's your question? Oh my God, that is my hate comments. People are like, oh my God, his eyes get distracted. These are the little 2K shimmy dance. That is hilarious. Okay, so are we getting the 2K stimmy? So we're hoping. So that plan's going to be released on. There we go. Let me see that. Who asked that question? Because they put the emojis. Okay. So that question is expected to be released on. What's the date? Thursday, January 14th. Strawberry Gang. Strawberry. I got strawberries in my hand. Okay, Nicholas. Do the cupcake with strawberries. That'd be helpful. Maybe if I actually put the video on TikTok, that's all I'll do. Oh my gosh, guys, it's 69 of you guys watching on YouTube and only 21 likes. Can we change that? Can we change that? Can we change that? Can we change that? Okay, let me see that number go up. Let me see the number go up. It's 67 people watching. Only 21 likes. Oh, 26. Okay. Appreciate that, guys. Oh yeah. Also, I get a lot of bad comments on Instagram, so I need to pay attention to Instagram too. Like they're like, yeah, he be ignoring us. You don't give a F about Instagram. I do care about Instagram. I went to Boston Strawberries. Hey, my puppy started dancing with me when I did the 2K shimmy. Oh my God, that would have been a really cool video. Do the 2K shimmy. I think it's gonna come, guys. Thank you for doing what you do. Thank you for so much for saying thank you. Strawberry gave that. I did the 2K in the police study dancing. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. You as a Joe Biden support, huh? I just speak facts, brother. That's it. You'll never see me lean on one side. I just spit straight facts, and I like to have fun. Duke focus. You saw that? Someone said Duke focus. Thank you for your post. You're absolutely welcome. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. I got you, Nicole. Gotta focus. Guys, if you see me getting off track, make sure you say, yeah, that would have been funny, beautiful. That's their name. Their name is beautiful. Yeah, guys, if you see me getting sidetracked, make sure you tell me your focus. With PUAB tax, yes. Okay, so quick recap. Joe Biden is expected to release his stimulus plan this Thursday, January 14th. Here are what some experts are predicting will be included in this plan. 1, $2,000 stimulus checks. 2, cancel some student loan debt. 3, raise minimum wage. 4, extend federal unemployment benefits. 5, rental assistance. And 6, loans from small businesses. Also, PPP applications are now being accepted at smaller credit unions. Idle portals will begin going live January 17th. This money is completely free and does not have to be paid back if you are a small business owner or you have some type of side hustle and you meet the requirements. So that's kind of where we're at today. So really the big takeaway is make sure you guys get your emoji ready. There we go. I see someone with the emoji. Get your emoji ready. Write down this. This is what you're going to write down with the emoji. January 14th. That's kind of the big day. What happens if I don't play my son this year and his dad does? Then his dad will just get the credits. There we go. Andrea, write it down. Idle is Idle is not forgiven. Idle is money. PPP is the one that gets forgiven. Write that down. Oh my gosh, I got a constipated sneeze. A hi, dude. Question. What's up? Welcome back, Diana. Can I do recover rebate credit first and the other day too? Can I do recover rebate credit first and other day do my income? I'm really trying to follow, and I'm sorry, I don't get the question. What's up, Hugo? Welcome back. Yeah, I have a big question. What's the question? Who's that? Okay, but when the 2K comes, can the IRS get it right? Exactly. Okay, look at someone right now, January 14th. January 14th, write that down. I put my alarm for your lives every day. That is so cool. You're the best and you make life so fun. Screenshot. Everyone smile. 2K, look at the 2K strawberry, 2K shimmy. You're writing that down. That's my favorite emojis. Absolutely. Hey, boo, what's up, Tiger Passion? What's up, Chris? Welcome back. My fiance got part of his stimulus taken by child support, but never received the remainder. What should we do? We claim to recover. Not sure about the first one, but the second one was not supposed to be taken because of child support. So, was the second one taken because of child support? Let me know about that. Hey, buddy, what's up, Maria? Welcome back. Did you sleep well? I know you all left. You left kind of early last night. You had to go to sleep. Hope you had a great night to sleep. What an OGs. My PUA unemployment ended on the 26th. Do I have to do anything, or does it automatically pick up? From what I heard, it automatically picks up. But once again, check what you're saying. Student 2K. What if you change? Oh, I'm sorry. I had your question. This went away. How do you stop these comments? I like it cut. I need to get one. Do you need an LLC? No, you do not need an LLC. I have a question about the student loans. How will they go about deleting student loans? I have no idea. So this is all talk right now. So I'm not 100% sure about what's going on and how that can happen. How much for a dependence if the 2000 is passed? Not yet. It's all in the plan yet. Remember, hey, write it down. Write it down. January 14th. What is PPP? PPP is the Paycheck Protection Program. So the main purpose of the PPP is to pretty much keep employees on payroll, including yourself. So that's the main thing of PPP. So guys, if one thing, hey, wait a minute. If you are on unemployment, you can't receive the PPP as well. So you either need to apply for PPP when your unemployment's up, but you can't receive unemployment at the same time because both programs are very similar. So the PPP is really given to businesses so their employees don't file unemployment, right? So it's to keep your businesses alive. So if you as the business owner, you can go on unemployment if you're receiving PPP. Now, the PPP is pretty much like, hey, you know what I'm saying? Like, I got some money for you. The really qualifications you have to be is your business has to be in operation by February 15, 2020. So that's the main thing. I'm so proud of you guys that started your business in 2020. I think that's like the coolest thing ever. Dope. I'm so happy. But if your business was not established before February 15, 2020, unfortunately, you do not qualify for this PPP. And let's say it was. That's the first requirement. Also, less than 300 employees. And then also, you have to show a reduction, okay, a 25% reduction from two. If you can meet those qualifications, the government's pretty much saying, like, here's some money, right? It could be up to, it could be up. It could be in the thousands, 10,000, in the millions, depending on what you qualify for. They say, here's the money. You spend, I'm going to give you a list, okay? I'm going to give you a list. If you spend the money like how I want you to on this list, you ain't got to pay me back. You ain't even got to pay me back. So that's kind of what the PPP is. And typically that list includes payroll. So if you're sole proprietorship or you're a single member LLC, or you're the only person in your business, that means just paying yourself. Okay, so just pay yourself with the PPP. Boom, forgive me. Utilities, business rent, the COVID PPPE. What's that thing called? Professional protection equipment, personal protection equipment, and also if your business is vandalized in 2020. Do you think we are going to get the 2K standing? Maybe I just joined, brother. So we will find that out. Great question. So the 2K standing, we will find that out on Thursday, January 14th. So if you haven't already, you know what? We know what, but yeah. So Savon, we will find that out on January 14th. So that's the big date that we are waiting on, and sounds exciting. Today is my birthday. Happy birthday! Shots. I don't drink, but I'll take a shot of some water. Happy birthday. Woo! Okay. PPE. There we go. How do we claim our children are born in 2021? If your children was born in 2021, they don't qualify for any 2020 stimulus checks. But if there's stimulus checks in 2021, then yeah, they would probably qualify if we get these additionals. 2K Stimmy, what's up, YouTube? Dude, did you do something to yourself? You have this go to you. Thank you so much, Kelly. Look at Kelly trying to be nice because Kelly almost got banned yesterday because she said, they said this is my last question. So look at you. I see what you're trying to do. I owe a few $100 on 27. I owe a few $100 27K paid total. And they did not garnish me for my second check, but different from two. Yeah, so I know someone asked a question about the child support and rhythm. I'm going to put them on last, but they said they owed about $26,000. A few $100 on $26,000 total pay, and they did not garnish it. Yeah. Dude, what are your thoughts on all this money being handed out? That's a great question. So what are my thoughts? Well, there's really, I understand both sides. I understand the sides that, hey, giving out this money is too fast. Could go to individuals who don't normally would qualify for it. So let's say, you had a bad year in 2019 and in 2020 you're doing okay. Okay, then you're cool. You should qualify, have a program where it's really targeted for 2020 numbers. Like, let's see how you were affected in 2020 and then receive an additional aid. As far as, how much money should be going out, there's two ways to look at it. And I understand both sides as well. So the first side is said, hey, you know what? People are in need now. Okay, we need this. We need, people are in need now. We need to get this money out now. I completely understand that. Then I kind of understand the other side where they're saying like, oh my gosh, well, we give out all this money, we're going to be in debt, we're going to be in this inflation, which, I get too. But the way I look at it, it's just like, what's really more important? What's more certain? Okay, what's more certain? A family not being fed, not being taken care of, going hungry, or like, is it really certain that the dollar will go up? So, it's really important that you take care of the situation that's more important. The one that gives factual importance, like straight up and down, like important, like where it's right in front of your face, important. Playing the what if game, I can sit here all day and play the what if. What if this? Well, what if this? Well, what if the dollar goes over this? Well, what if that happens? All day, but I completely understand it because as history repeats itself, the dollar inflation, I completely understand that. But we are in a situation history has not prepared us before. History has not prepared us for something like this. So we need to create the history by making the decisions that I believe need to be made. Yeah. Happy birthday. It's someone else's birthday. Damn, we got a lot of birthdays today. Okay. Yeah, right there now. How can I put up my small business qualifies? Qualifies for what? What if my side hustle isn't registered? You don't need to be so your business does not have to be registered to receive this PPP or anything like that. Marie, did you get it today? Take my birthday, another birthday. I like to know about using 2019 income to file 2020 taxes. You know, think about that. So you can't use 2019 income to file 2020 taxes. You have to use your 2020 income to file your 2020 taxes. Yeah, so if that makes sense. What's up, Instagram? Do you get tax deductions when you're buying a home? So you get the options to itemized deductions such as like property taxes and things like that. But as far as a tax credit, not necessarily. The way to really benefit from buying a home is if you're purchasing real estate for business. That's where you see a lot of deductions like depreciation. But as far as like a whole like the tax deduction, unfortunately, that credit was phased out, I believe, in 2010. The home buyer tax credit, either 2010 or 2008 was when that credit phased out. Could you explain what you mean by TurboTax and everything is going to send stimulus? Yeah, so guys, if you use a software like TurboTax, H&R Block, Jackson Hewitt Tax Act, and you had your tax preparation fees come out your refund, this is how they do it, right? So you give them your bank account information, then they set up a separate bank account. It's called a refund transfer account, okay? So your refund goes into this refund transfer account, right? Your refund goes into this refund transfer account, then the fees come out, and then the refund transfer account puts the money into your bank account, right? So the IRS sends your money, your refund to this refund transfers account. The software, whatever company you use, takes their fees out and puts it to your bank account. So the IRS will send it out so quickly, they send it to that refund transfer account. So that's why if you check the status of your stimulus, you're like, oh, what is this? This is my account. That's probably why, because it was going to that refund transfer account. So companies like TurboTax, H&R Block, they've been working tirelessly to communicate with the IRS and to address this issue. Now, I believe TurboTax started sending theirs back out on January 8th. H&R Block started sending theirs out on Wednesday, January 6th. And then Jackson Hewitt, I read a statement by Jackson Hewitt that they're doing theirs on February 1st. So that's what I mean by that. Hopefully I was able to answer your question. Let me know if I was able to answer your question. So I haven't gotten the second stimulus check because I filed in 2018 and not 2019. I was going to file 2020 claim the recovery rebate credit. Should I wait and see if there's more? Go ahead and file. Yeah, because the second stimulus check is going off your 2019 tax return. So we know that for sure. But yeah, so we know that for sure. Okay, so I'll go ahead and file and then make sure you claim that credit, the recovery rebate credit, when you file your 2020 tax return. If we're receiving PUA unemployment, can I apply for the not the PPP? You can't. So you can't take unemployment, PUA, and the PPP at the same time. Hey Duke, I haven't received my stimulus check. So if you have not received this stimulus check, okay, if you have not received your stimulus check, your first one or your second one, or you did not receive it for your dependents, and you know you should have, you're going to want to claim the recovery rebate credits when you file your 2020 tax return. If you're unsure how to claim that, or you don't feel confident enough to claim that, I have posted a video on YouTube. On YouTube, it's at Duke Loves Taxes. I walk you through it so you have the confidence to claim it yourself. And I will assure you that if you follow that video to the T, you will get every dollar that you deserve. If you don't follow that video to the T, you could miss out on some pretty cool deductions, especially if you had a baby in 2020. Especially if you had a baby in 2020, you should really check out that video. I'm not even trying to boost my video or brag on myself. I'm just really trying to help you guys out. Like, seriously, I'm trying to help you guys out because, you know, sometimes people can afford a tax professional, but they need tax advice or they need tax help. So let me just help you. Okay? Yeah, so that's what I'm here for. Dude, I want to say how awesome you are. We need more people like you in this run. That is so cool. I love nice comments. Thank you so much. That was extremely nice. Love when people say thank you. Love when you guys send gifts. Love nice comments. And I love when you guys subscribe to me on YouTube. Dude, what's up? This is Right. Welcome back. That's a regular right there. Even if I have mail out day, Duke, even if I have a mail out day, so if you have a mail out date, I would just wait and then see if it actually comes. Yeah, I would just wait. Because really the IRS, they have to send out these stimulus checks by January 15th. And what is your mail out date? I'm just curious. Is it before or after January 15th? When can we start filing taxes? So when e-file opens up, so TurboTax I think someone sent me something from TurboTax. They're starting their e-file. But yeah, so let me look that up. When does e-file open? Yeah, so it's saying typically e-file opens up at the end of January. You're awesome. Thank you so much. I filed today. Oh, did you e-file your tax return today? Like did it actually e-file? Strawberry Gang, what up, Strawberry? Okay, so TurboTax e-file open today. I thought I saw that correctly. Oh, look, someone put that as that special emoji. What the heck? What if we were an adult and claimed as a dependent in 2019, but you were so if you were an adult and your parents claimed you as a dependent in 2019, and you are no longer a dependent in 2020, you're going to want to claim the recovery rebate credit when you file your 2020 tax return. I have a video on that. Check it out on YouTube. It's going to help you out so much tremendously. When are you going to talk about 7202? Guys, so 7202. So 7202, get it out. Get it out, Financial Solutions. Get it out. So 7202, Form 7202. Oh my gosh. Okay. Not the 2Ks. So Form 7202, this is really important. So get your emojis out. Let me see your emojis. Get your emojis out. So Form 7202, it's a form that you file, and this is called the Sick and Family Leave Tax Credit. I also have a video on YouTube for this. This explains it more in detail. But the Sick and Family Leave Tax Credit. This is a dope credit, especially if you are self-employed or you have. Thank you, Andrea, for giving. Andrea's the only one that got her emoji out. There we go. I saw another one. Yeah, so get your emoji out. So Form 7202 is a credit you claim on your 2020 tax return. So this is really beneficial if you have some type of side gig. If you do Uber, you do OnlyFans, or you're an independent contractor, you have a small business, you have an Etsy shop, YouTube, Twitch, whatever, self-employed. So this is a refundable tax credit up to $15,110. Okay, so let me just put that in perspective. If you file your tax return and you owe $15,110 and you maximize this credit, you now owe $0. If you file your tax return and you owe $0 in tax credits, but you get this new credit, you will get a refund of $15,110. So that's what I mean by refundable tax credit. This is some serious stuff. And here's how it goes. If you miss any type of self-employment work because you were required to be quarantined by a state, by a federal, that means the government, by a federal, state, or local authority, that means, hey, bro, y'all got to stay inside the house, and you miss work because of that, you qualify. If you miss work because you had symptoms of coronavirus and you are going to seek a medical diagnosis, well, you know what? you also qualified. If you were subject to a quarantine, like you went and got tested and like, you need to stay home, and you missed work or self-employment work because of that, you also could qualify. If you missed self-employment work because you had to take care of a family member, let's say you had to take care of your son or daughter, because their school was out, you also qualify. So it's really important that if any of those apply to you, that you make sure you claim this credit, because this is a dope credit and I don't want you to miss out on it. It's really important that you show a net profit on your Schedule C in order to maximize this credit. So the higher your profit is, the higher your potential credit is. So I know a lot of times when we're filing taxes, you're like, so we try to write everything off. But this is a tremendous planning opportunity right here when it comes to claiming this credit. You want to show a pretty good net profit on your Schedule C. Also, if you're applying for the PPP, you want to show a large net profit. That was kind of a long answer. Okay, look at Shama. They got the pin out. Jillian got her pin out. Baltimore. Right. Thanks. I have no idea. I have to Google how to do taxes. Yeah. Or just ask your questions here, and if is the YouTube lagging? Oh my gosh, the battery's about to die. That's why. Man, YouTube started lagging because my battery's about to die. It is on 5%. All right. If I claim look, some people know how to ask questions if we use that emoji. If I claim the recovery rebate credit, will I get all the stimulus check for 2020? Yeah. So the recovery rebate credit, if you did not receive it, so here's how the recovery rebate credit is going to work. Okay. So it's going to ask you when you're using a software like TurboTax, it's going to ask you, hey, did you receive a stimulus check? You're going to either put yes or no. Even if you didn't receive your full amount, even if you do receive a full amount, you put a partial amount, still put yes. And just put the amount you receive, and it's gonna like balance itself out. So first thing, when you're claiming the recovery rebate credit, when you're using a software like TurboTax, you're gonna want to walk through the entire tax return. Okay, you're gonna want to do that first. And this also applies to if you're not required to file a tax return. So let's say you're a stay-at-home mom, or you did not make any money. You didn't make no money, and you also did not use the non-filer program. So let's say you didn't make any money, you're a stay-at-home mom, you didn't use the non-filer program, and you're filing by yourself, you can also claim the recovery rebate credit when you file your 2020 tax return. So it's really important that you walk through the process itself. And that includes filling in your personal information, filling in your dependents information. If you have income, make sure you report that income first before you go and claim any credits. If you do not have income, well, just skip that section and go straight to the recovery rebates credit section. So yeah, it's a pretty much walkthrough. But what you do not want to do is go straight to the recovery rebate credit section. Okay. You don't want to go straight to that section. You're gonna want to do that last, because the recovery rebate credit is going to be based off your 2020 tax return. Okay, great question. Oh snap! Look, we got what up, Judy? Woo woo! Welcome back, Judy. I missed 3 weeks of work due to Judy. If you missed, okay, well, Judy, is it self-employment work? Is it self-employment work, or is it from your job? Because your job should have paid you. If it's self-employment work, oh yeah, we're gonna kill it. Yeah, you can also claim it 7202 if you were another company. But the most important, yeah, Judy, unfortunately, your job should have paid you. So did your job pay you? Your job should have paid you. What up, Strawberry Gang? Uh, what about W2? I'm not 100% sure. Does California have to pay rent starting February, or will Biden extend it? No, Biden's plan doesn't come out to January 14th, so that's what we're still waiting on. That January 14th plan. Um, do you know what's going on with unemployment recertification? My husband had to re up. No, not every state's 100% different. Okay, so when can you start to file your taxes if you didn't? Right now, Nikki. You might want to check out my video, the recover rebate credit. I'll walk you through that. What if I worked for my company while I was on COVID sick from home? They didn't excuse me for anything. Yeah, so wait, what if I work for, yeah, you have to work that out with your company. Yeah, Nikki, run that, run that. Third stimulus checks, not 100% sure. Hopefully, January 14th, we'll figure something out. Can you write off electricity, Wi-Fi this year for taxes? If you are self-employed, if you're a small business owner or an independent contractor, you could qualify for the home office deduction. And you claim that on Schedule C and by filing Form 8829. If I'm paying in cash from my employer, can I still file for unemployment? Well, yeah, you can still file for unemployment. I'm not sure if you're going to get approved for it. And it's also really important. Thank you for saying thank you, only one, Mecca. Thank you for saying thank you. I'm not sure if you're going to get approved for it. And also, when you're requesting unemployment, it's going to ask for you to report that income or any income that you made. So it's very important that you be honest. I'm all about honesty. Okay, I learned so much from you. Anyway, I say, it makes me so happy. Yeah, that's my job, guys. My kind of purpose is to really educate you guys to alleviate stress. Like I want to alleviate stress from you guys. I would love the guys. I want you guys to be happy. I want you guys to start businesses. If I could just do anything, I just want to teach you happiness, and I just want you to teach you like freedom and whatever way I could do. I know a lot of people are like, I know you guys want to learn how to make money, get rich, and I'm not with that. I'm all about what's good for you, because I think the most rarest thing to have is just like sustained happiness. Like that is very good. It's easy to get money. If you really want to get money, you can find a way. That's easy. What's difficult is finding happiness. And what's even more difficult on top of that is finding sustained happiness. So that's kind of like my goal. I mean, if any way, like even if that's for an hour, that I can distract you from your pains and your miseries or whatever you're going through, and I can just do that, like that makes me extremely happy. So and I can tell I'm doing a good job. Like when you guys say thank you, dude, or you guys send gifts, or you guys like follow, it just really like it tells me, hey, it tells me myself, it says, hey, dude, you're doing an excellent job. Keep doing what you're doing because you are changing people's lives, you are helping people, and you are a great person. So that's kind of why I do everything I do. Can you talk about opening a claim with unemployment? You're going to want to do that with your state. Margarita, thank you. You're welcome. We love you, Duke. Love you too. Thank you, Duke. You're absolutely welcome. You're welcome. Can I apply for the PPP if it was a tax prep for 3 months? Yeah, I'm not sure what the 100% what that question is. Strawberry Gang, yeah. Will you still get the 2K even if you don't? Yeah, you will. Well, not 100% sure. That plan has not been released yet. Speak the truth, you're doing a fantastic job. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. You really are. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you guys so much. If I choose the option to have taxes taken out of my unemployment, can I file my taxes? How is that? Yeah, so if you have taxes taken out on your unemployment, you're going to receive Form 1099-G in the mail by January 31st. On that form, it's going to tell you how much you got paid in unemployment compensation, and it's also going to tell you how much in federal taxes you had withheld. I applied for item loan but messed up my letter on my email. How do I fix it? I'm not sure. But the SBA, the people at the SBA, they've been really good with communication, so I would try with them. I got married and had a baby in 2020. Well, I need to do the absolutely, Ira, you're run that recovery rebate credit. If you want to know step by step on how to claim it, I did make a TV. I made a TV. I made a YouTube video on that. Maybe I should make a TV about it too. That'd be cool. Would you guys buy it? Thank you, dude. We love you. I love you too. Thank you so much for saying thank you. It's 2K 1400, not 100% sure yet. No questions for IG. Okay, guys. So let me check any more questions on Facebook. Okay, guys. So I really appreciate all you guys coming out to this live, especially the ones that come out consistently. And if there's no more questions on Instagram, I'm going to end that now. I am looking to see if any more questions come up. So I'm going to end it on Instagram soon. And if you want to keep watching, or if you guys really want to show support, please subscribe to my YouTube. I'm really trying to grow that. My YouTube is at Duke Love Taxes. Also, my Twitter as well. You guys can join that as well. Saying as well, like this, I think it's still here. Okay, TikTok. I'm going to end it. So I'm gonna try to get these last questions in on TikTok. There's none on Facebook. So go ahead and end on Facebook. If you can Facebook, please subscribe to my YouTube at Duke Loves Taxes. I'm really trying to grow that. That would be so cool. I want to end that. And then, what is the tax credit for a child? Not 100% sure. 2, what up, Strawberry? Yes, you can hire a 16-year-old in your business. Okay, guys. So please, how do we get the? Okay, so if you're a non-filer, that's a really great question. If you're a non-filer and you want to claim the recovery rebate credit and you did not use the program, you're going to just file a $0 tax return or whatever income you make. So just file a 2020 tax return and claim that credit. So guys, if you want to show support, please subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you for saying thank you. I really appreciate that. AK, that was so nice of you to say that. Thank you for saying thank you, my. I really appreciate that. Yeah, so if you really guys want to show support, please subscribe to my YouTube. I'm trying to do my best to grow that. My YouTube is at Duke Loves Taxes. So you guys can subscribe to that. That would be dope. And I will see you guys tomorrow. So thank you guys for being consistent. Thank you for following. And thank you for everyone that says thank you. Like that should be like the thing of 2021. Saying thank you. So thank you for saying thank you. Thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right. What's up, YouTube? They're all gone. I should probably get like a mic for YouTube. Okay, what's up, YouTube? So I'm gonna start at the bottom. Jesus. My first stimulus check was direct deposited, but the upcoming one says it will be mailed. Any idea why they changed it? I have no idea. I don't know what they got going up in there. Judy, what up, Judy? Dude, if my cousin works but also plays in a band on the side for years and lost a lot of money due to COVID, is he able to claim it? Yeah, Judy, he can claim a lot. He can apply for the PPP. He can claim the, I forgot, it's YouTube, yeah. Yeah, Judy, he can claim. He can apply for a lot. He can like claim a lot. He can also apply for unemployment as well. Yeah, unemployment as well. So yeah, Duke, I think Judy wants. Did I answer your question, Judy? Yeah. So if your cousin plays in the band for years and lost a lot of money, yeah, he should be able to apply for unemployment. Make sure you check the state, but he's also considered self-employed. So if he missed work because of self-employment, he can also claim additional tax credits, what I was talking about earlier, which is that Form 7202. What I was talking about earlier. Yeah, there's a plenty he can qualify for. Thank you for saying thank you, 2K21. Can I apply for a second idol? Yeah. No, I haven't read like in-depth the idol rules. So once I have that, I'll probably definitely make a video on it. Nelly. Blanca, hey Blanca, welcome back. Thank you to 2K. Oh my gosh. Mine's been mailed on the 6th. Yeah. So they said 3 to 4 weeks. How does he do that? When he files the 2020 tax return. He can file Form 7202 if he does any type of self-employment work because of COVID. Also, he could qualify for the idol. That portal is opening up Sunday, January 17th. And then possibly for the PPP, if he can show he had a net income or net income in, a net income at least in 2000, a net income in at least 2019. If you can show he had a net income, or if your cousin, not sure, can show they had a net income in 2019 and a reduced income in 2020, they can also apply for the PPP as well. So the good thing about your cousin is that they're self-employed, and there's a lot of there's so many tax credits and benefits for self-employed. So yeah. In the entertainment, there's PPP for entertainment. He can qualify for a pretty big PPP, to be honest with you. I wonder if they file their tax return. I would love to look at that. Maybe help. Can a 19-year-old claim the American Opportunity Credit, or does his parents have to? Yeah, it depends who's claiming the dependent. So if the parent is claiming the dependent, then the parent's going to get the credit. And also depends who pays for the expenses as well too. Genji, thank you for mentioning $0 file. I will be penalized. Will I be penalized for this to get? No, absolutely not. If they Genji, if they penalize you, just tell them, hey, you know what I'm saying? Like Duke sent me, I'm gonna beat them up. They try to penalize you for filing a $0 tax. So I'm like, what? You did what? You did what to Genji? We beefing. No, just file a $0. Yeah, you're file a $0 tax return if you had no money and you weren't able to use non-filer tax return. Marissa, question: my husband worked out 2020. He didn't get his stimulus because he didn't work much in 2019. So I filed separately at the beginning of 2020. Can he claim the recovery rebate credit? Okay. How are you guys gonna file in 2020? That would be my question. Yeah, that would be my question. How are you guys gonna file in 2020? Are you filing file separately again, or you file jointly? But either way it goes, if he's entitled to that stimulus check, he's going to receive it. Is a 7202 credit only for self-employed people? Yeah. I have a video on that one as well too. If you had a job, your employer should have paid you. They were required to pay you. So that's how the 7202 credit works. So if you miss work because of some type of COVID or something like that, your job was still required to pay you. Now, if you're self-employed, you don't have no one to still pay you. So that's why you're receiving that credit if you miss work because of that. Nelly, thank you. You're welcome, Nelly. I hope I was able to answer your question. Chrissy, I was sitting PUA. Do I have to reapply? No, from what I've been hearing, you don't have to reapply. But I would still be logging into my portal, logging and see, what's updated. I would definitely whatever state you're with, I would see what they got going on as well too. Just because you're not supposed to apply again doesn't mean you should still just like ignore it and hope it's gonna come. Just make sure it's gonna come. Hugo, thank you for your help. You're absolutely welcome. Tiger Gypsy, he's been idle. The viral use 150 of sending to get LLC is repping clearly goes with people. Yeah, so I'm not gonna talk down on anyone else's viral video or another creator's video. Yeah, but I saw that video. I'm gonna move on. Vanessa, can you put in the 7202 credit? Yeah, so it's a credit. If you're self-employed and you miss any type of self-employment work because you were, subject to a quarantine, or you miss work just because of anything like coronavirus related. Let's say your kids were out of school and you missed work because of that. A lot of kids were out of school. You can claim a tax credit of your average daily self-employment net earnings, which is your net income divided by 260. So that was for the remix. So the term, they did it again. So to determine that, you're going to want to look at your Schedule C. So your Schedule C is where you report your self-employment income, and Schedule C line 31. Schedule C line 31. You're going to take that number, you're going to divide it by 260. And whatever number that is, if it's not above $511 or $200, that's the kind of calculate that credit. If this all sounds like jargon to you, kind of what I'm speaking, I have a video on YouTube explaining it straight to the T, because if I were sitting here explaining, it's going to take all day. So I would advise you to check out that video. It should help you out a lot. Follow-up question. I moved addresses about 1 week ago, and my stimulus is going to be mailed to my old address. So more than likely it will be lost throughout. Yeah. So if you don't receive that stimulus check by the time you file your 2020 tax return, you're going to want to claim the recovery rebate claim. India Rose. What's up, India Rose? I don't know why I got hyped with your name. That's cool. What if my parents no longer claim me, but my boyfriend claimed me in 2019? I thought I couldn't qualify for stimulus. You can't. Kayla. What up, Kayla? Will the 2K be for people who file taxes for 2020? Not 100% sure yet about anything with the 2K. Hopefully we'll get guidance on that Thursday, January 14th. Ellen, what's up? Ellen, you've been here since the beginning. Dang, you fell asleep yet? I think you were the first on the comment. Can you apply for both? Yes, so you can apply for both the EIDL and the PPP. John, just forward mail from the post office. Okay, yeah. Is the deadline for both payment methods on the 15th? Not 100% sure. Yeah, all I heard was the IRS is supposed to send it out by January 15th. But Jackson Hewitt just released a statement that they're not going to be able to release it till February 1st. So I don't know what they got going on. I believe this is all new for everybody, not just including yourself and myself and everybody watching this. But I think it's also new for the IRS. It's also new for these tax software companies. So as much as we want to be upset, we got to understand they're just as confused as everybody else. So I just believe it's a patient game, and there's a lot of hearsay going on. But I believe at the end of the day, everything will eventually work out. As a matter of fact, things always have a fun way of working out. So the best way for something to work out, guys, is just to practice patience. Patience, if you can just be patient, a lot of things will work out with patience. A lot of problems can be solved with just patience. Sometimes you gotta take actions, and then other times you just have to have patience. So in this case, it's just patience, and yeah. How can you apply for back unemployment for that? Not 100% sure. Am I going to run into these issues using TurboTax? That's the software I would recommend people to use, is TurboTax. Thank you. Thanks, Judy. Jim G, thank you for all of it. Let me know. Awesome. Marissa, we're going to file jointly this year. If I would have known all of this, yeah, no one could agree to this. We would have filed jointly together. Yeah, but you should be able to get that when you file. If he's entitled to it, you don't receive. At the end of the day, if they're entitled to that stimulus check, they did not receive it. They're going to receive it when they claim that recovery rebate credit. If you meet the requirements, so your income's over the threshold, and you meet all the requirements. If they don't give them to you, just say, I'm going to beat them up Okay. But it's really important that you meet those requirements. Blanca, if we're getting ours mailed, is the deadline January 15th? So not 100% sure. I just know when it's mailed out, I would just say if you don't receive your mail date, if you don't receive it within 3 to 4 weeks of that, then assume it's not going to be here, and then claim that recovery rebate credit. You can't put your claim in because you don't have the button anymore. Yeah. Thank you, welcome Margarita. Vanessa, thank you, welcome. Gang, start gang. All right, hey, that's a OG right there. Margarita, how about if your job didn't pay for you to have to be obligated? I'll go beat them up because they're required to pay them. I mean, not go over there and beat them up, but yeah, they're required to pay you. So definitely work that out. GDBB. Given all the tax rate issues with H&R Block and TurboTax, should I utilize a different preparer? I would. There's nothing wrong with working with a tax professional. I always let people see working with tax professionals, but I wouldn't give up on H&R internal tax just because of this issue. If anything, maybe just don't have your tax preparation fees come out your refunds, and they don't send it to the refund account. If you can't pay it up front, or work with a tax professional. Jesus, awesome. Thank you very much. Whew. You're absolutely welcome, Kayla. Thank you. I appreciate you for taking time with it. Absolutely, guys. I'm just glad to be able to help you guys. Thank you. Kristen, thank you. Alan, thanks for answering my question, Duke. I feel like when I went to Tesla. Hey, James, it's been 5 days, bro. Checking the mail and nothing. It's 3 to 4 weeks. They said it. It's in now. India Rose. Look, India. I don't know why I like saying that name. I don't know why. Follow-up question. Did you say I don't qualify if I'm a stay-at-home mom? What the hell? So, no. So being a stay-at-home mom will not disqualify you for receiving the stimulus check. But being claimed as a dependent will. James, I'm being told about the tax thing with the check. I'm not sure what that is. Look, guys, we got through all these questions on YouTube. Whew. Hello, thank you. Welcome. Thank you for saying thank you. Thank you so much for sharing on here. Thank you. All right, guys. Clearly, got me yawning. It's tax season. It's tax season too. So I started preparing a lot of tax returns. Yeah. So, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. I will continue to keep you guys updated. I appreciate every one of you guys who are here. You guys are going to see me grow because I'm definitely going to grow this YouTube channel. That's my goal. I appreciate all you guys who are here at the beginning, and we're just going to take this to the next level. Like 2021, so I'm going to give it my all on this. And when you guys say nice comments like thank you, I appreciate it. It just really motivates me to continue to push out content for you guys. So I really want to say thank you, because without you guys, like, I don't know. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you haven't already, please like this video. Also, I did post a video on the how to claim the recovery rebate credit using something like TurboTax. So if you haven't seen it already, make sure you check that out. Give that a comment. Just go show me some love on YouTube, guys. Thank you once again, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.